everybody, it's Jessica with PlanIt Southern, and in today's video we're going to check out what's inside the March Planner Society kit. This kit was mailed to me in February. I received it just a few short days ago, and I took a look in the box at the papers and the color scheme of the kit long enough to decide what fountain pens I wanted to use and what traveler's notebook. But other than the papers, that's all I've seen other than the sneak peeks on Instagram, so I can't wait to get inside of this kit. So if you want to see what is inside this box, then keep on watching. So like I said, I opened the Planner Society kit. I did purchase this. I'm a subscriber from Planner Society. Chrissy did not send me this as PR, so just wanted to get that quick little disclaimer out of the way. I've been using Planner Society kits. I've been subscribed since April of 2016. And I'm not sick of Planner Society yet. I actually purchased the March 2016 kit from my friend Erica. She is the Divine Femme on Instagram. And I loved that kit so much and I bought it. But at the time I was also using Cocoa Daisy, so I really didn't use the kit. I still have it. I still have several kits that are untouched because I was using Cocoa Daisy or decided to use something else at the time, but I just love Planner Society kits in general. So I'm subscribed to 3 different kits. I'm subscribed to the main Planner Society kit, the sticker Society kit, so the sticker kit that they have, and then the washi kit that they have. So I've already opened this box and I've already opened the main kit just to get the papers out, but that's it. So let's open up the box here. And first off, we see this beautiful pen case. Alright, maybe my box will stay open. There we go. So the first thing that I see is this beautiful pen case here, and let's take a look inside. And this is just like the one from, was it June or July? This is a bag that I got. It was either in the June or July kit from Planner Society. I want to say maybe it was June. Right now I have the pens that I want to use in March, as well as the stencils that were in that kit. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm eager to get to using this kit, I'm going to take my fountain pens and I will be going over what I'm using in my March planner setup video. But oh, that was washi. Alright, so put my pens in there, zip this up, and that is a gorgeous pen case. Not that I don't like the white one, but I just really like these grays and yellows. So, put that back over there. This is the washi kit that I haven't opened yet. The box sticker. Oh, I do get the box Society. I thought I got the sticker one, but it's the box one, so I was right the first time. This is the paper. We'll go through that. Well, after I knock stuff over on my desk. And then this is the rest of the kit. So, get this box out of the way. So I love to save these bags and make dashboards out of them, or you know, just covers for inserts, or you know, stuff like that. So I love these. Let's take a look at these papers. So this is an acetate. Let me see if I can get a white sheet of paper. Give me just 1 second. Alright, Alright, I actually have some stickers that I printed from the Valentine's Day kit. So this is actually a piece of acetate. So it's clear acetate, and you can put it on whatever background or use it however you want. So that is the first piece of paper. Here is, let's see, I think it's this side. Oh, I love this one. This is the second. This is a piece of acetate as well. So you can see straight through it. But I love this acetate. It's got some really pretty pinks. In fact, the vibrant pink Lamy ink and Lamy pen would look really good with this piece of acetate. And then this is vellum. So it's not as see-through. That's without the liner. It's not as see-through, but you can see that if you lay it on top of something else, you can certainly see through it. It's more of a cloudy. So this is the vellum. And then you also get double sheets of paper, and they're double-sided, so you get 2 sheets. So this is what this sheet looks like. This is the front and this is the back. And when you flip them, you get to see, look at that, I've already tore a piece of paper. So that is the first sheet. Oh, I love this one. Really like that purple too. This is the second set of papers, front and back. And then this is the third. And this is front and back. I really like this print right here. So that is the paper from the kit. Let's move on to see what else is in this main kit. Alright, we got these. Oh, I saw these as a sneak on Instagram. These are super cute. So they are like paper clips, but then they have the fuzzy balls at the top. See if I can show these to you. I think I actually might zoom you guys in a little bit for this part. Alright. So here is a pack of die cuts and ephemera. There are, it looks like some of the, what do you call them? The little paint with the little, let's open it up and I'll show you. The little sayings on, it's got the little sayings on the paper. I want to take all of the die cuts out. Oh, yeah. So these are like the little tags, but she has little sayings on them. Like this one says, find the beauty in the little things. There you go. You can see it. That it's foiled. Just start. Do all things with kindness. Don't forget to be awesome. And this one says, today was a good day. And this one, of course, Planner Girl. So, those are cute. And then the rest of these in here are the die cuts. So, super cute. This is the pen. Throw that away. This is the pen for the kit. So this is again like the one that we had in maybe November, I think. So we have the big diamond on top, which I love. I think it's so cute. And then you have that planner pattern on the pen. And excuse my fingers, I was filling pens earlier, so you'll catch a sneak of Emerald of Chivor. So this is the stickers that come in the kit. Let's look at everything else first. These are like wood, so you can use these in your planner. I probably won't, but I would use these maybe in a scrapbook or to just maybe decorate the office. Then we got a stamp, which is Little Planner Girl, and she's so cute. I love this one. The tabs, which I haven't been using recently, but I really think I want to use these starting in March again. Oh, these I did not see. Okay, let me zoom you out a little bit. Wow. These, my friend Erica told me about. I had no clue what she was talking about. The bookmarks. These are so cute. So it looks like she did what I did and just layered clip art, but she put these on the really sturdy cardstock. So I'm really excited to take a look at these. Oh, and then we got some pockets. Little folder pockets. These are cool. You can put these on like maybe dashboards or the back of an insert, and then you have a pocket to put stuff in. That is pretty neat. And then here is the sticky notes for this set, which is really pretty. And then this is the washi, which is that darker gray floral. Very cool. All right, let's take a look at the stickers in this Planner Society kit right here. All right. Oh, wow. These are really pretty. So we have just different, like tea sets and teacups. Oh, I love these. I love these girls. So this is the stamp in sticker form. Really cute. Some more flowers and gardening things. I think I really am loving the theme of this kit. Some more flowers. Pretty. Alright, so the second kit that I get is the washi kit. And I know it looks like I have, but they did not stick the sticker on here. So I have not seen this washi other than in the sneaks. I love this bag. That'll make a great dash or something. Oh, very pretty. So this is tea, the kind of like the little flowers with the tea mugs. See if I can get it to zoom here. I'm gonna zoom in closer, that way it'll focus. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then this one here is a pink floral. I love the floral washies. And then this, I love this pattern as well. So this is that yellow gold colored pattern. I really love this pattern as well. Awesome. So let's zoom out and we will take a look at the stickers. Alright, so here is the box sticker kit. And I do cut the stickers because I do like to use the bags and I don't really want to rip them if I can help it. Put this bag right there. All right. Oh, wow. I love these colors. So here are the headers that you get in the box kit. There's some 2 little boxes down here, and then some deco stickers. Then we have half boxes, some quarter boxes, and some washi strips. A few full boxes. And the last sheet has the checklist boxes. So those are pretty cool as well. Alright, well that is everything from the Planner Society kits that I have gotten. I didn't go, opening up each and every package. I just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what all was in this box and in the kit that I got. If you want to check out how I use what I get in the kit, then look out for my March setup party, which will be posting soon. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!